ISD family, it is a gorgeous Saturday morning. We are here at the Mission Citrus Parade with our La Joya ISD students, our staff, our families, out to just have a wonderful day and demonstrate our pride for our district, pride for our community, and really just show everyone who we are. Events like this bring us closer to our parents, closer to our family, and really show the world who we are at La Joya ISD.
I am so excited to be here for the Citrus Parade. We have our board members, our staff members, our students. We have this beautiful float right behind me, and we are also highlighting this year's enrollment on our own La Joya school bus. It is important for events like this for all of us to be together and just beyond school, but to bring our families, our staff members, and our students together on these important events that highlight our community.
This is my first time here as a board member. It's amazing to see all the gatherings of the community and the kids showcasing their great performances. I'm excited to be here. The weather is beautiful. I'm impressed and amazed that these kids are always doing their 100% and being ready to perform and ready to be out there for our community.
I'm so excited because this is actually my first parade, so I get to walk with my students and with my staff and just have a great time. Thank everyone for all that they did to prepare for today. I really want to thank our students for always just exemplifying pride and love, not only for their individual schools, but for our district.
Right here joining us is the Texas Citrus Fiesta Float, including our Queen Citriana, Jimena Lopez.
Congratulations to our very own Jimena Lopez, senior at La Joya High School, who is representing La Joya ISD and the city of Penitas here in the Citrus Parade as Queen Citriana. We are so proud of you, representing not only your family, but La Joya ISD. We are so proud of you, Jimena. Congratulations. Mom, much love to you.